celebrating Wildlife Week. Today, the topic is peacock, India's national bird. Introduction. Scientific name, Pavo cristatus linn. Common names, Indian peafowl or blue peafowl, More or Mayur in Hindi, Mayil in Tamil, Mayura in Sanskrit. Distribution throughout India. Classification. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Subphylum, Vertebrata. Class, Aves. Order, Galliformes. Family, Phasianidae. Genus, Pavo. Species, Cristatus. Peacock nomenclature. Peafowl belongs to the family Galliformes, which includes pheasants, quails, grouse, turkeys, and guinea fowl. Technically, peafowl refers to the male only. The male is called the peafowl. The female, a peahen, and the young one is a peachick. In common English usage, however, peafowl is used to mean either gender. Pavo in Latin means peacock. Types. There are 3 species of peafowl found in the world: Indian peafowl, green peafowl, Congo peafowl. Distribution. The common peafowl is found throughout India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. Peafowl is seen up to 1,800 meters height on the Himalayan ranges. Peafowl lives in the open forest and scrub jungle, orchards, and cultivated areas. The green peafowl is found in Myanmar and some parts of northeastern India. The Congo peafowl is distributed in parts of Central Africa. Characteristics. The male Indian peafowl is one of the world's largest flying birds. Average body length of the male is 7.5 feet, including the tail, and of the female is 2 to 3 feet. The tail of the peacock is called the crane. Length of male's tail is 4.5 to 5 feet and wingspan is 4.5 to 5 feet. The female is mottled brown and dull looking, has a white belly and lacks a train. Weight of male is 8 to 13 pounds and female is 6 to 8 pounds. Both the male and the female have a fan-shaped crest made up of stiff spatula-like feathers on top of their head. The crest and the ornamental long tails are the important features of the peafowl. The tail consists of 100 to 150 feathers. The peafowl gets his full plumage with long feathers during the 3rd year. The male has a radiant blue neck and breast. They also have a metallic bronze green train spotted with purplish black markings, also known as eye spots or ocelli. The train on the male is used for display to entice the female to mate with him. They shed their feathers each year during late summer. Diet. The peafowl is an omnivore and terrestrial feeder. They mainly feed on grains, some cultivated crops, insects, fruits, reptiles. The main feeding time is early morning and before sunset. The role of P4 in the food chain is crucial as they act as important biological control agents. Behavior. P4 run more than they fly. The only time they fly when they have to cross a river or ravine, when trying to escape predators and to roost up in trees. Peacocks are one of the largest flying birds at 6 to 7 feet in length. They fly to the top branches of dead trees after sunset and leave just before sunrise. Peacocks have one of the loudest calls among birds, as they usually make loud wailing sounds during the rainy season. They are an indicator of the coming monsoons. They also call out in the early mornings and late evenings. In times of danger and mating, peacocks make distinct sounds. They usually roost in the same tree every night. Reproduction. Peafowl are polygamous. The breeding cycle of peahens start from the second year with 1 or 2 eggs. From the 4th year onwards, 5 to 9 eggs are laid by the peahen. Normally, the nest is found in an open area of the forest and is made up of dry wood and leaves. The incubation period is between 28 and 30 days. Peahens are responsible for guarding the nest and young ones from predators. The peahens without feathers are highly camouflaged and help while breeding and rearing the young ones. Parent birds carry the young on their backs to reach roosts on top of trees. The average lifespan of the peafowl is 15 to 20 years. The white peacock is a rare form of the blue peacock with the same characteristics. Its white plumage results from a genetic mutation. History. The peacock is mentioned in the Bible as an import by King Solomon from Muziris on the Malabar Kerala coast via Judea. They wandered around the grounds of his famous temple. The Hebrew word for peacock, tuki, is believed to be derived from Tamil togai. Alexander, who invaded the Punjab in 326 BCE, took back 200 peacocks from India and sent them to Macedonia. The Mauryan dynasty, founded by Chandragupta Maurya, is named after the peacock, their clan emblem. Chandragupta's grandson, Ashoka, forbade the killing of the peafowl for food. The seal of the Kushana emperor, Kanishka, was the peacock. In the medieval period, the Tughlaq rulers adopted the peacock's feather as their state symbol. The bird was also known to the pharaohs of Egypt. Phoenician traders during the era of King Solomon introduced the birds to present-day Syria and the Egyptian pharaohs. The peafowl is mentioned in the Greek work, The Birds, a play by Aristophanes. as early as 400 BC. The peacock figures in the Bible and in Greek and Roman mythologies, where it appears as the favorite bird of the goddess Hera or Juno. In 1963, the peacock was declared as the national bird of India because of its continuing association with the life and culture of the people. Cultural significance. The association between people and peafowl could be traced back to the Sangam period of Tamil literature. The king Began came across a peacock displaying its tail before rain, and the king, assuming that it was shivering in cold, gave a blanket to peacock. The peacock throne was the famous golden throne, which was also the seat of the Mughal emperors. It was plundered from India by the Persians in the 17th century and is now in Istanbul. Peacock in folklore. The peacock has an inextricable link with the Indian subcontinent. The innumerable references to the peacock in mythology and folklore reflect the significance of the peacock in this region. The bird has various epithets to its credit, such as, for instance, the harbinger of monsoons and the symbol of fertility and good luck. The peacock is a sacred animal for the Hindus. It is the Vahana of Lord Subramanya or Kartikeya and sometimes associated with goddess Saraswati. Melek-Tas, the peacock angel. It is also sacred to the Yazidis who worship a peacock lamb. According to legend, once when all the gods took the form of various birds, Lord Indra chose that of a peacock. Thus, when Indra brings rains to the earth, it is believed that all the peacocks dance with joy. It has the ability to forecast rain by dancing at the first appearance of clouds. There is a belief that Sita was born from the egg of a peahen. It is also connected with Lord Krishna, who always wears peacock plumes and is often depicted with peacocks. Gautama Buddha was a golden peacock before his birth as a human being. Jataka tales. In Buddhist mythology, the peacock is a symbol of sympathy and alertness. Other significances. Place names. Mylapore. Mail Arparikku Poor, which means land of the peacock scream. Mailadum Parai, a place in Theni district. Mailam, a place near Dindivanam. Mayiladuturai, a district in Tamil Nadu, whose original name is Mayuram, which means peacock. Nemali or Nemili or Nenmeli, a place in Krishna district, Andhra Pradesh. More, Maharashtrian clan, derived from the word more, which means peacock in Marathi. Morachi Chincholi, named after the peacock, is a place where the birds are protected by the villages. Margovan is the peacock village on the banks of river Khara in Baramati Taluk of Pune district. Mayurbhanj in Orissa is named after the peacock. Family names. The King Chandragupta, founder of the Mauryan Empire in the 4th century BCE, had the peacock in his clan name Maurya. Yogasana, Mayurasana, a peacock pose with hand-standing asana in Hatha Yoga. Threats. Today, its population is under threat due to habitat destruction, poaching, and contamination of its food sources. Peacocks are in demand for their beautiful feathers and even for their fat, which is erroneously believed to be useful in the treatment of arthritis. Nawab Rasul Khan banned the killing of the peacocks and passed rules. Peacock, being the mount of goddess Saraswati, was given protection by Nawab of Junagadh. Conservation status. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, Red List classifies the blue peafowl as a species of least concern. Conservative estimates place the population of peacock in India as more than 1 lakh. However, the green peacock is classified by the IUCN as an endangered species and its population is between 10,000 and 20,000 adults. The IUCN has classified the Congo peafowl as a vulnerable species. Its population has fallen to fewer than 10,000 adults because of hunting and habitat loss. Legally, the bird is protected under Section 51, 1A of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, and the population within the protected areas, sanctuaries and national parks is safe. However, their population outside the protected areas are dwindling due to poaching and poison pesticide contamination. A few sanctuaries were also created for the conservation of our national bird. The Viralimalai Peacock Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu, is one among them. The export of peacock feathers, articles, and handicrafts made from them has been banned under the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species and the Export-Import Policy of India. Protect the peacock, India's national bird. Please write your suggestions and feedback to our official email ID cpreec@gmail.com. Please subscribe us on YouTube to get more updates. To join the next meeting, link will be shared shortly to your email ID and WhatsApp. The session will remain open for the remaining minutes for discussions. Thank you, participants. You can unmute and come for discussions.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
It was a very good session, sir. We got to know a lot of details and information, especially about the Egyptian culture, how they use the peacock feathers and all. Very nice, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening, Vasanji.
Good evening, sir.
Venkatratnam here.
Yes, sir.
In Andhra Pradesh, near Vijayawada, there is one village called Nemali. It is a mandala headquarter. Nemali. Nemali means Telugu. Krishna, sir.
Yes, sir.
Near
Yes, sir.
to Nujivedu, Nemali. Very
Yes, sir.
big village.
Ah.
One time it is a forest area. More population is there once upon a time. Slowly, because of the hunting and other reasons, so only few, I think now it may be there or not, I don't know, but the village name remained as a Nemali.
Nemali in Krishna district. Yeah. In one of the
Nemali,
slides we
Krishna.
have mentioned about it, sir. In one
Yes,
of the
sir, yes,
slides we mentioned about it.
Mhm. So,
Thank you.
what
Thank
to
you.
seeing village? Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Structure also there in the village.
Thank you all for your participation. We are ending the session for today.